Hello everyone. Today we are here with another case study related to cyber forensic, the blackmailing case. This case belongs to City Mumbai, State Maharashtra, and the case comes under the section of law section 292, section 389, section 420, section 465, section 467, section 468, section 469, section 471, section 474 of IPC. Read with the section 67 of IT Act 2000. The background of this case is the accused posed to be a young girl living in Kolkata and learned a non-resident Indian working in Dubai. The complaint to enter into a email correspondence. Subsequently, the accused began corresponding with the complainant using different email IDs under the guise of different female names, which made the complainant believe that he was corresponding with different girls. Having won the confidence of the complainant, the accused asked him for money and gifts. The complaint complied with the request in hope of receiving sexual favors from the girls he was corresponding with. However, after a period of time when these favors were not forthcoming, the complainant stopped this correspondence. The accused then resorted to blackmailing the complainant by referring to the email exchanges that had taken place earlier. In addition, the accused led the complainant to believe that one of the girls had committed suicide, that the complainant was responsible for it. The accused also sent fake copies of the letter from CBI, High Court of Kolkata, New York Police, and Punjab University, etc. The investigation of this case started when the complainant handed over all the emails corresponding to the police. Many of them had masked headers, and therefore the police could not investigate them any further. Moreover, there was no email that could be traced to Kolkata where the accused was staying as per the complaint version. However, the investigating team was able to trace some of these emails to the corporate office of a large cement company and a residence in Mumbai. A raid was conducted at this premises. In the raid, one computer, two laptops, seven mobile phones, and a scanner was seized. The computer equipment that was recovered was sent to the office of forensic examiner, who found all the evidences of email, chatting details, etc. in the laptop and the computers. During the investigation, property worth INR 0.9 million was seized, along with the cash worth INR 0.3 million. The total flow of the extorted money was traced from the bank in Dubai to the account of the accused person. The current status of this case is the charge sheet is submitted in the court and the matter is sub judice. This case won the first runner-up position for the India Cyber Cop Award for its investigating officer Mr. Deepak Dhole, Inspector Mumbai Police. This case was a classic example of social engineering when internet was first beginning to take off in India. The police response was swift and the case investigation thorough and professional. Thank you for watching the video. For more such case study, subscribe our channel.